everyone and welcome to TechStone's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix when iMessage is not sending your messages to other person on iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. So this may have happened to you as well when you want to send a message on iMessage and you encounter an issue and it says that the message has not delivered or is not sent to other person. So here we'll show you some ways to fix that issue. The first way is simply to check for your internet whether your internet is working or not. For that, you can simply scroll down to open the control center and see if your mobile is connected to internet, to a Wi-Fi or maybe mobile data. So you can simply check them, turn it off or turn it on mobile data or Wi-Fi. You can simply connect them, or you can simply restart them and simply turn them off at once and turn it on back again by turning on airplane mode and waiting for some seconds, maybe 30 seconds, and after that simply turn the airplane mode off. It will simply restart the networks and reconnect to them. So now you can simply check whether the my message not sending messages are fixed there. If it doesn't fix that, so you can go for the second option. The second version is to check whether the iMessage is enabled on in the settings or not. For that, go to settings, scroll down, tap on messages. In the messages settings, you'll find the option for iMessage. From here, you can check whether the iMessage is enabled on your iPhone or not. If it is not enabled, simply you can enable it and then check whether it has fixed your issue. Again, if that's not the case, you can go for the third option. That option is simply to check whether your software is up to date. In here, first go to settings. In the settings app, go to general. Now in the general settings, scroll down. Don't scroll down. On the top, you'll find the option for software update. Tap on it, and here wait for some seconds for your iPhone to check for the software update and see if any software update is available. Simply update your iPhone to the newest iOS version, and after that you may check whether it fixes the iMessage not sending messages issue on your iPhone 14. So again, if you see that if it hasn't fixed your issue or your problem, you can go for the fourth option, that is to reset all settings. So for that, go to settings. In the settings app, simply scroll down, tap on general. In general settings, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset. In here, tap on reset all settings. When you tap on it, it will ask you to enter your passcode. Simply enter your passcode and you will see a pop-up telling you to confirm, and this will tell you that this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted. If you're okay with that, simply tap on it, reset all settings, and see if it fixes your issue. So that's it. These are four ways to fix when the iMessage is not sending messages on iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. So thank you for watching, and please do like and subscribe.